Alright, lads and lasses, welcome along. It's Open's Tuesday. Let's talk a little bit about Power BI and Teams today, I think, yeah? Because there's a lot going on with Power BI, a lot going on with Teams, and the two, they're really getting together now. It's brilliant that Microsoft have managed to integrate it so closely and bring the two this close together. It leverages so much power in front of you, and there's so much that you can do. So for starters, Power BI can now be embedded into Teams, so you can actually add an icon on the left hand side of Power BI that take you to the home page in Power BI, and the experience then is pretty much like it would be in the web. So you can see I've got different icons, and I can click around me different apps that I've got, going through my workspaces. All that stuff that I would do in the web is there. And the added benefit is, I've spent so many years now trying to say to people, right, only sharing app.powerbi.com/home, right? I don't even have to share that anymore. So my senior leadership team who are down like, oh, you can't possibly expect me to be able to remember a specific URL like that. I demand one for the specific thing I need to do today. Use Teams, man. It's dead simple. See, up there for thinking, as they say, isn't it? Right? So that is a huge benefit. When Microsoft unveiled that was just like champions. That's exactly what we've been waiting for. And losses, of course, but champion Microsoft, that's just what we've been looking for. The other thing you can do with Teams, it's been around a bit longer, right? But it still causes a lot of problems, right? Still a lot of issues with it. So have a look, we'll show you what I mean, right? And we'll get through, right? And that is embedded reports. So here we go, yeah? So you can take a team that you've got, like the team. Here's my team in the general tab, and I've added a Power BI report, the incident management one from dataset 8 into it, right? Oh, brilliant. I can see it straight away, right? The amount of calls and support requests I've had to deal with this one, right? It's just like, please understand it. One of them is a bug that Microsoft really needs to fix, right? The fact that they haven't is just like, it's a real, well, guys, give your head a shake, lads. Fix it. It'll be dead easy. This will be perfect, right? I think it's like one of them things where it's getting too close to being perfect. People are going to get a bit like antsy, right? Have a look. So I'll tell you what, how about we do this? Let's jump over into the website, yeah? Get rid of this PowerPoint, get in the web, have a look, see what I mean, Right. So let's start off. Here's my web, yeah? Power BI homepage. You're all used to this, you've all seen it. Hopefully you're all using it because it is very good, right? Honestly, compared to where it was even 6 months ago, right? It's brilliant. You've got everything you need here, and this really is the point. If people are saying to you, I need a specific URL for my project or for this report that I've got, tell them to go to the homepage, right? When you're publishing apps, make sure you tick the box to make it appear automatically, so it'll appear in their apps, right? If it's not there, they can go to click See All, which is a really difficult thing to have to do, isn't it? Click See All. A bit tricky. But some people, they still complain, find that too hard. Okay? But the main thing is once they start to gather it and appear in their frequencies, most people, they'll gather 2 or 3 reports, right? It's very rare that you'll get someone like me who's going to like loads of reports, yeah? It's our development environment. You've got development stuff that we're working. So we've got all the projects that we're working through, the apps that have been published, the workspaces, right? It's all there. It's all kind of really good. Okay, so in Teams, if I put across our Teams, got my Power BI in Teams, you see it's the same. There's no difference there. It's exactly the same. So I click and go to video games and I see it like I would if I was on the web. It's got me filtering, remember, it does everything exactly as we need, yeah? Brilliant, perfect. Okay, what more could you want, right? That is, it sends me a link. It's basically all it does. It saves me having to bookmark a link. But honestly, that saving, you just can't measure how good that is. It is top feature Microsoft. Really happy. Love it. The other one is the one that causes a little bit of a problem with it. It's this one. So in here, I've got a report link added, okay? And you do that by clicking on the plus to add a tab. Okay, on here, you can see I've got the list of things I can add, and I can choose Power BI. And now I have to choose what I want to add, right? And the thing that everyone does wrong, right, is they add the workspace. And you go, wait, it's a workspace. Why would I not want to add a workspace? Give your head a shake, Ross. What are you talking about? You're not that sharp, are you? Right? The problem is when you're sharing it with people, you're sharing an app. So you have to click app and then share it from the app and pick the report that you want from the app. Okay? If you do that, right, and you share it from the app and you then put that team in with permissions to the app, right, then like it all works perfectly, and then everyone who's in the team can view, who has a Power BI license, of course, you know, in the team with a Power BI license can view the report. So you've got your access straight in from the report. Dead easy. How do I share it, you mean? You put the team, right, Ross, RW development, yeah, Ross development folder. If we go back to here, and I got my workspace for dataset 6. Right, so we got workspaces, dataset 6, update the app on the permissions, and I can put in the team. Okay, now that I've done that, anybody who's in the team has a Power BI license, a valid one for this, will see it. So, current time, you need to either have Pro, because it's a proper Power BI workspace, so you need a Pro subscription, or you need to have Premium. So we've got this added now, we've got permission set up, we've got it all there. That's all you need to do. So the big gotcha is when you're coming in here, you have to make sure you pick from the app. And the problem is there's no way, or there's no difference when you're looking at it to find out if someone has shared the app or the workspace. Right, but the two are different. So those of you that know me, there's two things that I really hate about Power BI, and if they fixed, make Power BI much better. Right, number one is it still doesn't have transform data as the default selection when you're importing data. It suggests to just click, right, and it right, because so many people just they go, well, Power BI is really limited because it just doesn't do out because they've never tried Query Editor. And I get it because Query Editor is a little bit, when you first start on it. But, you know, right, encourage them would help. And the other thing is this just, so them two things, Microsoft, if you're listening, please fix them. Much appreciated, right? Anyway, have a great rest of your week. You guys take care. Remember, on the 11th, hope you have your 2 minute silence. Cheers. Ta-da.